If you're caught with a THC vape in Harris County, District Attorney Teare is telling law enforcement agencies his office cannot accept criminal charges.
New guidance from the DA's office went out to all Harris County law enforcement agencies this week. KPRC 2 News reporter Bryce Newberry joins us live from the newsroom with a look at what's changing. Bryce.
Yeah, Keith and Lisa, the guidance is clear that people marketing or selling vapes with THC in them should still face a misdemeanor charge. But based on lab testing limitations, District Attorney Teare says his office cannot accept charges against people who have a vape believed to contain THC. We obtained this new guidance that went to Harris County law enforcement agencies this week related to THC vape pens. Officials in the DA's office telling me current crime labs cannot distinguish the origin of the THC in vape pens, making it hard for prosecutors to prove in court if the THC is even illegal. They also say current legislation is confusing for police and prosecutors. So Texas law draws a hard line. Hemp is legal if it has 0.3% THC or less. But here's the problem. Local crime labs can't tell where the THC in a vape pen comes from, either from hemp, organically grown marijuana, or synthetic sources. They also can't measure it precisely at that low level. They can only confirm THC at about 1% or higher. So that gap makes some cases hard to prove and harder to prosecute.
The legislature has not been very clear about what is dry material versus percentages of THC in their statute as they wrote it. In addition to that, there's no funding for local laboratories such as the City of Houston's lab or IFS, which is the county lab, to actually have this equipment present on site, let alone personnel trained to use it. So it's pretty much an unfunded, not very well worded statute, which is problematic.
So this guidance shared shows it could change as legal definitions and scientific methodologies develop. DA Teare, in a letter to local law enforcement agencies, said his office is committed to investigating, charging, and prosecuting serious drug-related crimes. But in talking with his team today, they say this is a gray area they hope future legislation can address. Live in the newsroom, I'm Bryce Newberry, KPRC 2 News.